Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In the past week, we've shown you how to buy tokens on the AVAX chain and also on the Solana chain. Now, this video will be showing you how to buy tokens on the Sei chain. So we'll be buying Sei-related tokens, and to do this, we need a wallet that is compatible with the Sei mainnet, and that wallet is called a Compass wallet. So we need to download this from our Play Store or App Store depending on your device. You search for Compass wallet for Sei. Once you download it, then you open up your wallet. My wallet is already set up, but for you just downloading your wallet now, you need to write down your seed phrase and ensure you set up your wallet accordingly. And so for us now buy the Sei-related tokens, what we need to do is to fund our wallet. And to do this, you can send Sei, that is buy some sales a centralized exchange like Gate.io or KuCoin or Binance, and then move those funds into the wallet. And you can copy your address, the Sei address from here where we have SEI19. So just tap on copy, then you copy your address, then you paste it on the exchange and you select the Sei Network. For this wallet, for the Compass wallet, no memo is required, so you don't need to impute any memo. Just go ahead and send your funds and your funds will reflect in your wallet. As at the time of making this video, Binance already suspended withdrawals for Sei, so that's why I listed other exchanges that you can use like Gate.io. Okay guys, so let's proceed. Now we are going ahead to buy a Sei-related token, and to do this, you tap on your in-app browser. That is, once your Sei has been funded, you tap on your in-app browser. Okay, and then for this video, we'll be using the Astro Port. Okay, Astro Port D app to buy our Sei-related tokens. So wait for this to open up. Okay, so just wait for this to load up. Alright, so once it loads up, you'll be requested to connect your wallet. You tap on connect, and now we can see that our wallet should be connected. So let's check. Okay, now we can see the wallet connected because the balance in wallet is 20 Sei. Alright, so guys, once you have your wallet connected, what you need to then do is to tap on where we have Astro and impute the token that you want to buy. And for this video, I would want to buy Sei DAO. Okay, so you can just type in the token and then you can select the token you want. However, you can see that in this illustration we have two tokens that has the same Sei DAO name, right? So in order to be sure of the token that you want to get, so you do not get scammed, you ensure that you head over to your browser. Type when you head over to your browser, then you type coinhole.org. all right, so this site is just like deck screener. So this site gives you details about different tokens on the Sei, Injective and Osmo and other Cosmos chain. Okay, so all you need to do now is to search for the coin you want to get, Sei DAO. Alright, so in this case it's this one. Okay, and then you copy the contract address and then you head back to the swap, then you paste the contract address. Alright, so then you tap on it. Once you tap on it, then it would come up, and also you need to then impute the quantity of Sei you want to use for this transaction. So let's say we want to use 10 Sei tokens for this transaction. You just impute 10 and then it should bring up the value of Sei DAO, that the quantity of Sei DAO that you'll be getting for the 10 tokens of Sei. So wait for this to come up. Alright, so 10 tokens of Sei will be giving us about 14,687 tokens of Sei DAO. Then we'll go ahead to swap. Alright, so then we scroll up and then we confirm swap. Okay, so we approve, go ahead to approve, and let's see what next. And then the tokens have been swapped. The transaction is complete have swapped 10 Sei tokens for 14,000 Sei DAO tokens. Okay, and then we just head back to our home page. Okay, we'll head back to our home page. Seems like the tokens aren't visible, but then let's see if we can tap on manage tokens and use the contract address to add the tokens. Let's see. Okay, yes, you can do that. So once you do that, you just toggle it on, and then I'm sure your tokens should appear on your wallet just like it does in Trust Wallet. And this is the process on how you can buy Sei-related tokens. So guys, ensure that you let us know if you have any questions regarding this video. If you're having any challenge, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured someone will be available to attend to you. Try to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the post notification bell for more educative videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.